What is the manifestation of Ishwar when the time began?
Darkness was concealed in the darkness then, and all that existed was indiscriminate chaos. The one which is covered by the void was manifested. The one is Ishvara, whose grace created all that moves and all that are static, that walks, swims, and flies, that formless reality which lies hidden within is Ishvara.
What is the actual name of Ishwar? How does he motivate his creation?
That reality which lies hidden in mystery is where the universe finds one single home. In that reality, all unites, from that all emerges. The one Lord has no name. Sages call him Ishvara. Prophet came to the earth in human form to motivate his creations. Prophets' reflection of his greatness. They are known as devatas. Pious persons pray to Ishvara and celebrate life, deed, and teaching of devatas in temple.
Do we need to go to temple daily? What should the priest do?
Visiting temple regularly and chanting the Lord's Prayer in chorus give mental strength and ensures divine protection. The priest should conduct the chorus of prayer and explain the meaning of at least 5 slokas from Veda, Upanishad or Gita and other Hindu texts. Devotees will get guidance from these hymns to solve their own problem. The priest should act as a friend, philosopher and guide to the Hindu society, should continuously try to improve the society's ethical and material comfort level. Here I would like to say that in all other religion, the priests are taken care of, their needs are taken care of. In Hindu religion, priests are left to fend for themselves. As a result, the priests are some of the poorest of people, and to make a living, they have to bow low. I think this is something what Hindu society should seriously think, that priests are also human beings, they have need, and they should be properly looked after.
Do we need to do puja to the deity and pay the priest?
Chanting prayer is more fruitful compared to the offering of puja to the deity. Offering puja is not mandatory. Priest financial needs are to be appreciated and respectable amount should be given to encourage highly qualified and capable people to join the profession of priesthood. Good priests make good society.
How should a funeral be for a devout Hindu?
Fire is considered to be one form of Param Atman. Thus, the body should be put on fire so that Atma and Paramatma becomes one. However, the law of the land should be followed.
What should be the true method of Hindu marriage?
A true Hindu marriage is happening between a man and an woman and solemnized as per law of the land, complying with the local customs.
How should one be punished for being disloyal to the spouse?
Disloyal to spouse is a breach of faith. There are many types of breach of faith, that is, between employer and employee, taxpayer and tax collector, government officer and public, etc., etc. Punishment applicable for breach of faith also should be applicable here. Law must prevail equally. Adultery is a case of cheating on the spouse, and the law of cheating should be applicable.
If a rape takes place, what is the punishment?
Rape is a violence of extreme severity, and punishment should be accordance with the violence.
Which person deserves heaven?
To reach heaven, a Hindu is expected to chant hymns, mantras twice daily. At least for 10 minutes he should do pranayam and associate himself with Bhoj Utsav. A person who works hard to earn a living, who helps others to earn a living, is not a greedy person, acquires the knowledge of scripture with devotion and follows it in his own life, is the right person to go to heaven.
What is Bhoj Utsav and what are its benefits?
Bhoj Utsav is a religious community dinner held on full moon night after a day-long fasting every month. Dinner is sponsored by rotation amongst friends, relatives, well-wishers and acquaintances, or everybody can give donations. Fasting is done once in a month during the daytime. Those who arrange Bhoj Utsav or take part in Bhoj Utsav will surely get a place in the heaven and will also ensure safety and security of their children and will earn wealth. This is a must for all Hindus. Food should be taken after offering thanks to Ishvara and all the deceased forefathers, men and women both. In Veda, it is said, Bhoj Utsav gives even better result compared to that of performing yajnas. During Bhoj Utsav, food will include all types of good food along with singing, dancing and community discussion on common problems. It will last normally for 2-3 hours. Children and old people must also be included in the Bhoj Utsav.
Should one be treated in heaven who helps build or maintain a temple for the use of public?
One who builds a temple for public or spend money or energy for temple maintenance, Ishvara keeps a house for such person in heaven.